Mathematics is part of our everyday life, guiding us in routines, culture, and even technology. In every action we take, numbers and patterns are always present.
According to SUD 2020, mathematics is deeply involved in people's daily activities. It is necessary for life. It exists and is applied everywhere by people in every modern society. The day-to-day tasks of people in their personal lives and in their work environment cannot be accomplished without using mathematics.
Denver began his day as the alarm rings. He opened his eyes, observed the time, and prepares to follow the task written above the table. Each note is a reminder of the sequence that will guide his routine. Later that morning, Denver heads to the store with his friend Shira.
Ay, pagkain?
Anong klaseng pagkain?
Tingnan natin doon.
Tara nga. May 20 pesos lang ako. Sa tingin mo, kasyo na to?
Tingnan natin.
May bibilhin kayo?
Magandang umaga po. Magkano po yung tinapay tsaka gatas?
Itong tinapay ay 8 piso at ito namang gatas ay 12.
So, ang tinapay ay 8 at ang gatas naman ay 12 is equal to 20. So, tama yun.
Isa nga pong tinapay at gatas ko.
Tara. Ito na. Salamat.
Thank you
you
po.
po.
Finally, they sit down to eat, completing a cycle of daily actions where mathematics is always present. This simple day shows us that mathematics is not confined to books or classrooms. It lives in our routines, guiding us in every choice we make. Mathematics is not only in routines, it is also in creativity and culture. Corai shows us how math can preserve tradition and inspire others. Corai wants to share her skills on social media. Her goal is to inspire others to preserve traditional culture. To create a mat from coconut leaves, a craft once enjoyed by children in the 90s before technology evolved.
Excited na ako!
Alam niyo ba, ang dahon ng niyog ay ginagamit noon sa paggawa ng mat, basket, puga ng manok at iba pa?
Ginagawa rin ito ng mga nakakatanda, lalo na noon.
Oo nga, nilalaro rin ito ng mga bata noong hindi pa gaano na maganap ang teknolohiya. Halina, magsimula na tayo!
She realized this can also be a way to earn money while keeping heritage alive. Together, they begin waving the mat. Each fold and sequence reflects mathematics, patterns, symmetry, and rhythm.
Ay, salamat. Natapos na rin sa wakas.
Saya pala gawin ito, no?
Oo nga, nakakagaan sa pakiramdam. Hala, tignan nyo, may pattern at may kaugnay sa matematika. Lahat naman ng ating ginagawa ay may kaugnay sa matematika. Ipopost ko na to, sana may bumili.
Bibilihin ko na to.
From waking up to buying food, from weaving maths to posting online, mathematics is everywhere. It guides us our routines, strengthens our culture, and connects us through technology. Truly, math is life.